Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith with your JIS News for Friday, June 6. Road users can expect new rules to make the roadways safer following the tabling of amendments to the Road Traffic Act in Parliament this week.
Among the proposed changes encompassed in a brand new bill are increased traffic penalties for breach of the road code, mandatory training and certification of motor vehicle driving instructors, a longer period for holding a learner's permit, and curtailing the use of electronic handheld devices whilst driving, as well as increased powers for the Island Traffic Authority.
Minister with responsibility for housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, was making his contribution to the 2014-2015 sectoral debate on Wednesday. He said the amendments to the Road Traffic Act would bring the law in line with the realities of 2014 and beyond. In the meantime, government will be automating several functions of the Island Traffic Authority's examination depots this financial year. Written certificates of fitness will be phased out, along with the written component of the test for driver's licenses.
What this means, Mr. Speaker, is that when you go to the driving depot for your driving test, you will not have to use the traditional pencil and paper, but will input your answers into a computer.
Testing of the new system will commence shortly at one corporate area depot, with plans to expand it island-wide. The Ministry of Education is assuring parents that enforcement measures are in place to ensure that schools follow the new textbook policy guidelines.
Our education officers will be very vigilant in July and August to ensure that the packages that are given to students, we cross-check and double-check even after the lists have been approved, to ensure that they reflect the books or the guidelines that we have indicated.
The Chief Education Officer was speaking at a JIS think tank Friday. Dr. McLean said while parents await the July publishing of the approved book lists, they can visit the ministry's website or call 924-9128. In the meantime, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thway says some of the concerns raised by the book industry are being considered. The minister says in a meeting with the Book Industry Association of Jamaica this week, representatives agreed with the new policy in principle, but suggested that some books left off should be added.
They said that there were some books that ought to be part of the supplementary list that didn't appear, and could we please consider those? And of course we will.
He was speaking on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program. That interview airs this Sunday on Jamaica Magazine. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna has announced major changes for this year's festival celebrations, among them the introduction of a National Family Day planned for August 2.
I really wanted to do this as a way of helping to heal the Jamaican family. Many of our challenges that our children face are directly related to the problems in their homes. And if we can fix the families, we can fix Jamaica.
Minister Hanna also revealed that the schedule of activities for festival will be extended, running from June to Independence Day on August 6. Other changes include an expansion of activities to incorporate most areas of the cultural and creative industries, including literature, film, television, culinary arts, and fashion.
Our redesign program reflects my government's determination to enhance the contribution of culture and the creative industries to the national economy. Culture is an economic catalyst that we must maximize for the benefit of our people.
The Jamaica Tourist Board's Western Office is to be relocated to the Montego Bay Convention Center. Portfolio Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil made the announcement as he addressed the recently held annual general meeting of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association.
We'll be adding equity to the convention center. That means that when the travel agents, tour operators or partners are coming to JTB office, they'll see the convention center. You'll have marketing as it goes along.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.